Hi, this is English with Pat. I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to cook brown rice. I've put in 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Now I will put in some garlic. I will pour a cup of water into the rice. Then I will add a piece of garlic. A piece of garlic. Now I will add some spices. First, some curry powder. Then some Provençal spice. Then some pepper, black ground pepper. Then I will stir. And I will add a little bit of vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar. A little bit. The rice is now boiling. The rice is boiling. Olive oil in the frying pan. Olive oil in the frying pan. This is the frying pan. Now I will add onions, sliced onions, sliced carrots, and sliced green peppers. So here we have onions, peppers, and carrots in the frying pan with olive oil. Olive oil. Sliced green peppers, sliced carrots, and sliced onions. Thanks for watching English with Pat. See you next time and keep studying English. Bye now.